G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Well, this week I'm going to show you how to make creamy garlic mushrooms. This is so yummy, so easy to make. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a frying pan or something on the stove, turn the heat on to high, put in a tablespoon or so of oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Oh yeah. Just heat it for about a minute or so. Now get 3 cloves of garlic, crush it or mince it and chuck it in here with whole white mushrooms. It's up to you how much. I'm using about 400 grams. Just stir a bit and let it cook just for a couple of minutes. Now just keep stirring and just tossing. We just want the mushrooms to start to get a little soft and a little bit of the juice or moisture from them start to release. If that doesn't happen, just add a little bit of milk. Now add some cream cheese. Up to you how much. I usually add 3, sometimes 4 tablespoons. So at this point, don't have the heat on too high. Turn it to low medium, just because we want to try and avoid the cream cheese from splitting. If it's too hot, it could split. Now I just add some herbs, whatever you want. I'm throwing in some parsley, fresh from my garden. Same with some chives, some thyme that I've dried. And we just mix this through. Then you add some salt and pepper. I'm adding pink Himalayan salt. A bit of pepper. And just stir through. Oh, seriously, this looks so good. Oh. Holy moly, this is so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.